Imagine this. You're driving late at night, miles away from the nearest gas station, and suddenly that warning light flashes on your dashboard. Your tire pressure is dangerously low. Most people would panic, but not you, because you're prepared. You reach into your trunk, pull out a powerful portable air compressor, and in just minutes, your tire is back to perfect pressure. That's the confidence and peace of mind these new tire inflators give you. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 tire inflators on Amazon for 2025. Tested, trusted, and proven to deliver fast, reliable performance whenever you need it most. Before we dive in, remember to check the links in the description for exclusive Amazon discounts on every product we mention. Now let's find the perfect tire inflator for you. Our first pick is the AirMoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, a true lifesaver for everyday drivers. This compact cordless inflator is engineered for both convenience and accuracy. It features a built-in digital pressure gauge, allowing you to check and adjust your tire pressure with pinpoint precision. The LED light ensures visibility even during nighttime emergencies, and the auto shut-off function prevents overinflation, giving you total peace of mind. The AirMoto is compatible with cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports balls. Despite its small size, it packs enough power to inflate a standard car tire in just minutes. The lightweight portable design makes it perfect to carry in your trunk or backpack. This inflator combines performance, safety, and practicality, ideal for anyone who wants a compact yet reliable tire pump for any situation. Up next, we have the Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, one of the most advanced models on Amazon right now. Known for its ultra-fast inflation, it can reach 150 PSY and inflate a tire in just 1 minute. The dual LED screen displays both the real-time pressure and your preset target, ensuring absolute accuracy every time. The cordless design and long-lasting battery make it easy to use anywhere, from your driveway to remote trails. It's perfect for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and even larger MPVs, thanks to its powerful motor and durable construction. The Fantic X8 Apex is a favorite among car enthusiasts because it combines technology, efficiency, and style into one sleek package. If you're looking for a professional-grade tire inflator that's easy to carry and faster than most others, this one deserves your attention. Third on our list is a true powerhouse, the MotorX Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 2nd Generation. This model redefines what a portable inflator can do. Equipped with a massive 15,000 mAh battery and 65-watt ultra-fast charging, it's designed for people who value speed and power. The MotorX inflates large tires in just 30 seconds, making it one of the fastest air pumps on the market. It features multiple airspeed levels, allowing you to control inflation precisely. The Deluxe package includes additional nozzles, a durable carrying case, and a digital display that makes everything easy to read. What sets this inflator apart is its strength and endurance, perfect for SUVs, trucks, and off-road vehicles. Whether you're on a camping trip or just maintaining your garage setup, the MotorX will never let you down. It's not just a tool, it's a reliable companion built for serious users who need real power. Next up, the Noco AR15 Ultra-Fast Tire Inflator, a model that stands out for its incredible speed and professional-grade precision. This 12-volt portable air compressor delivers 44 standard liters per minute airflow, which means it can inflate a flat tire from 0 to 40 PSI in just 2.9 minutes. It features a digital gauge with auto shutoff, so you can set the desired pressure and let the device handle the rest. The design is rugged yet compact, making it perfect for roadside emergencies. NOCO is known for its durable automotive gear, and the AIR15 is no exception. Engineered for efficiency, portability, and accuracy, the long power cord gives flexibility, and the built-in cooling system ensures safe operation during continuous use. For those who value precision, durability, and fast inflation, the Noco AR15 delivers everything you could ask for in a modern tire inflator. And finally, we have the DeWalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 20-Volt Max. DeWalt has always been a trusted name in professional tools, and this inflator lives up to that reputation. Powered by the 20-volt max battery system, it provides consistent performance with every use. It includes an automatic shutoff feature for precise inflation, an LED work light for visibility, and a durable design built to last. Because it's cordless, you can use it anywhere, no power outlet needed. It's great for cars, trucks, bikes, and even sports equipment. The intuitive controls make it simple to use, while DeWalt's signature build quality ensures it's ready for heavy-duty tasks. If you want a tire inflator that's as tough and reliable as your vehicle, this one's a top-tier choice. In summary, each of these top 5 tire inflators offers something unique. From Airmoto's smart portability to DeWalt's industrial strength. Whether you need something compact for quick daily use or a heavy-duty inflator for big vehicles, there's an option here for everyone. These inflators are not just tools. They're essential travel companions that can keep you safe, save you time, and help you maintain your tires for years to come. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices, deals, and discounts on each of these top-rated tire inflators available right now on Amazon. Having a portable tire inflator is more than convenience. It's about being prepared for any situation. With technology evolving rapidly, 2025's lineup of air compressors is faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Whether you pick the Airmoto for its portability, the Fantic for its speed, the Motor X for raw power, the Noco Air 15 for professional precision, or the DeWalt for unbeatable durability, you're guaranteed to get excellent value and performance. So make sure your next trip, no matter how short or long, begins with confidence. Keep one of these in your car, and you'll never have to worry about low tire pressure again.